Hey friends, John here. Welcome to my channel and to My Favorite Things, the part of my channel where I discuss things that are non-fragrance related. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impression of the new KJV Lion Refresh from Humble Lamb. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, here it is, and here is the shipping box. And got that beautiful, awesome Humble Lamb tape on it. We see the KJV Lion here. I think this is the shepherd. I'm not sure what translation that is. I'm a KJV guy. But been waiting on this for 6 months. And I know many of you have probably been waiting on yours as well, and they're starting to come in. So I wanted to show you the unboxing of this. So let's get into it. All right, so here is the box. You can see I ordered mine in Sahara Blue. It's Mauritian goat skin with the lion snake foredge with gold ribbons. KJV Lion, authorized King James. And this is not a clamshell box, just a regular pop-off lid type box. Lion there. Note from the publisher, this singular version of the Humble Lamb team is to present the Word of God in a way that compels people to read it and thus connect with God more intimately. We hope you will experience this intention as you read your new Bible. So the yap was, I got the full yap. So the yap was so large, I wasn't able to slide the papers off. I usually try to slide those off. I did have to just kind of pop the glue line there. All right, so look at that beautiful grain of that leather. Again, this is the Saharan Blue. I don't think they call it a full yap, but you can tell it is almost a total full yap. So I said full yap a while ago. I think it, I mean, look at that. That's a full yap on the edge, but up here at the top and bottom, it's more of a semi-yap. But I think this is considered a semi-yap. See the beautiful embossed KJV Lion emblem there. You've got raised spine hubs, 4 raised spine hubs on the back, and just simply the Word of God. And I really love that. So let's open it up. You've got beautiful stitching here with the nice gold edging. Lion, KJV, beautiful, nice brown, thick paper here at the beginning. Here's the first few pages. I really like the feel of the pages of this Bible. Look at this page here. It says, "Thank you for making a difference. For every Bible purchased, Humble Lamb will provide Bibles, food, and humanitarian assistance to those in need. Learn more, visit humblelamb.com. So I think that's talking about their mission work that they help to give a portion of their profits to. But this is just a beautiful Bible. Look at that lion stepping on the serpent's head there. Of course, you get it straight up and down. And at certain angles, right there, you can just about, there's a little bit of a concave to it, but there will be times where you'll look at it and you won't even be able to see that. But when you open it up, you'll be able to see on both sides as you're looking. Look at that beautiful text block there. This is 11-point typeface. Milo Serif is the font. It's a very readable font. My son, Sawyer, my youngest son, has a KJV Lion. And I really liked the look of his. It's not the new one, it's the older edition. But very similar to the Canterbury by Schuyler, which is my other, one of my other premium Bibles. The other one on my channel that I've kind of put a little review on. You got references at the bottom. Let me just kind of go back over again and kind of talk about the specs. I was just looking at it, and you're seeing it at the very first time I'm seeing it. So you see that beautiful Mauritian blue Saharan goat skin, very soft, very, just feels really, really nice. You've got, it's lined around. This is put together. It is Smith sewn, and it is edge lined. So there's no cover page paper that has to be, glued in or anything. It's sewn directly to the cover. And what that does, it just allows it to just lay flat and be very floppy, for lack of a better term. It is 1,805 pages, this Bible is, and it's 36 GSM paper. So 9 by 6 is the size, 9 inches by 6 inches. There's, of course, let me see all these beautiful Gustav Doré illustrations. There's 66 of them, one for each book of the Bible. This is Jesus stilling the tempest, where he's calming the sea. What a beautiful, beautiful Bible. So first impressions on this Bible, I love it. I knew I was going to, or I wouldn't have, put the money down and invested in it, because it's not a cheap Bible. But, and I understand there's a lot of people that have very different takes on, spending money on a premium Bible. A lot of people kind of say, well, that, the Word of God, it should be free and things of that nature. I take the different approach, and that is, now, I don't mean that I don't think the Word of God should be free. We should freely preach and teach the Word of God. But I personally think that if you love and treasure the Bible, why wouldn't you want a high quality version of it? Meaning, and I say version, I mean a high quality, very nicely made, Bible. If you can't afford one, that's one thing. I understand that. But if you can afford nice things, if you buy high-end guns, or if you buy nice clothes, if you spend $500 or $600 on a suit to go and preach on Sundays but you use a cheap Bible, I don't know. I feel, and I'm not going to judge you over that. That's your business. But now I do want to get a good value, and I think it is. For something this nice, I think the price that they're charging is okay. I love it. That's my first impression of it. I told you a little bit about it. I'm not really going to do a full in-depth review. If you want to see a full in-depth review, the guy that I watch is Tim Wildsmith. If you're watching my video, you probably are familiar with him. But he does a lot of different, mainly premium Bible reviews. And so I'll just maybe link his video on it down in the description. You can check out a full in-depth review of that. of this particular Bible, as well as a lot of others. If you love the King James Bible, he has a lot of Bible reviews on different premium King James Bibles, whether it's R.L. Allen, whether it is Cambridge Bibles. He does church Bible publishers, different Bibles. Of course, I've got local church Bible publishers as well as church Bible publishers that used to be the same guys, and they kind of split over the production of certain guys' Bible that one of them didn't like that they were doing and all that. But anyways, Tim Wildsmith, he has a great channel where he breaks down and reviews several different Bibles. And he does all kinds of different translations, but he really loves the King James Version and does a lot of King James Bible reviews on there. So I love my new KJV Lion Refresh Bible. This will be probably in a rotation of 3 that I will preach from for a while. This one, my Schuyler Canterbury, which is also in I think they call it, this is Saharan blue. I'm not sure what. It's blue as well. I do have a review of it on my channel, or First Impression. And then my black, my other premium that I'm preaching of right now is my 400-year anniversary King James Bible. It's in black lambskin, and it's from local church Bible publishers. I've never reviewed it. I may do a short little video and show y'all that one as well. All right, this channel, I mainly started it to talk about fragrances, kind of as a reconnection with my dad, who sold perfumes and colognes and stuff, and he's passed away. I kind of got into it just to reconnect with him, but I review watches, knives, guitars, shoes, suits, Bibles, and lots of male fragrance content. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. So we see you down the road, we say God bless. Frag on, frag.